Unit 2, Lesson 4. Hey, Yuri, would you like to go to the movies tonight?
That sounds like fun, but I need to finish an assignment for my English class.
What's the assignment? Maybe I can help.
I'm reading different stories from American culture. This week we're studying fables. For my assignment, I need to compare and contrast a fable from my culture with an American fable.
Which fables are you comparing?
I'd like to compare a Native American fable called The Gift of Fire with a Japanese fable called The Two Frogs.
I don't know many Japanese fables. What's the Two Frogs about?
It's a story about two frogs who lived in two different cities. One lived in Kyoto and the other lived in Osaka. These frogs didn't know each other. One day, both frogs decided to leave their home cities to see more of the world. The frog from Osaka wanted to visit Kyoto. The frog from Kyoto wanted to visit Osaka. The frogs accidentally met each other on the top of a mountain between both cities. There was a lot of tall grass on this mountain. At one point, the frog from Osaka said, "If we were taller, we'd be able to look above this tall grass." The frog from Kyoto asked, "Why is that important?" The frog from Osaka responded, "So that we can see the cities we'd like to visit. If Kyoto looks beautiful, I'll continue my trip. But if Kyoto looks like Osaka, I'll go back home." The two frogs helped each other stand up and turn toward the cities that they wanted to see, pointing their noses in that direction. Unfortunately, the frogs forgot that because their eyes are on the backs of their head, when their faces were pointed in the direction they wanted to go, they were looking backward. They didn't know they were looking at their own cities. So both frogs decided to end their journeys and return to their own cities.
That's a funny story. I know that fables are supposed to teach you a lesson, but I don't understand the lesson of this story.
There are many lessons in this story. First, it's easy to make a mistake about something, so we need to be careful. Second, we need to think very carefully about the things we want. Sometimes we think that other people have better lives or better things than us, but it's not true.
I understand now. There's actually a saying in English that's very similar to the second lesson. The saying is, the grass is not always greener on the other side. It means people always think they would be happier with a different life or in a different place.
Interesting. I'll use that in my paper.
See, I told you I could help you out.